name is Nurul Binti Iskandar with matrix number 199054. In this video, I will conduct soil erosion experiment. Soil erosion is basically a gradual process of movement of the upper layer of the soil, or we can call it as a topsoil, by different agents such as water, wind, tillage that can cause deterioration in long term. Or in other words, we can say that soil erosion is the removal of the top layer of the soil. The objective of this experiment to be conducted is to know the effective ways that can prevent soil erosion. So basically, for this experiment, I will use water as the agent of soil erosion. Water that I will pour will act as rain in real life. So basically, in this experiment, there will be 3 different lengths. So the first one is the bare soil, which is there will be only the soil in this bottle set with the cup. So the second type of land is the soil with dead leaves on the top of the soil and the soil that have some gravels. So the third one and the last land is as you can see, this the soil that have plants that growing in the soil. So I will pour about same water into these 3 bottles, and the water will overflow into this cup. So we will see, and if there's any differences of water that will overflow into the cup.
So this is a close-up of the 3 types of land.
So now I will pour this water into the first bottle, which is the bare soil. Until it's overflow. So as you can see, the first cup, the water flow out from the bottle is turned out to be cloudy. The dirt from this bottle is washed out into the cup. So we can see that the water has the power to take the dirt in the bottle and flow it out into the cup. So next we will see what is happened if I pour this water into this second bottle. I will pour about same water of the first one. So the result is the second cup is clearer compared to the first cup. So why is this happen? The dead leaves actually help the soil from moving up through the bottle. If the dead leaves act as a protection to the soil. So I will pour the water into the third bottle. This is the close-up of these 3 cups.
This is from bottle 1. This is from bottle 2, and you can see the weight inside the cup. And this is from bottle 3.
As a result, the third bottle, the soil that we planted a plant, has the most clear water that overflow into the cup. Why this happened is because the roots from the plants help the water from moving out. We can see that the roots actually holding the water into the soil. So that's why the water is not overflowing into the cup and bring along with the soil. When it rains, the roots actually keep the water from washing away. We can see that plants do amazing job at keeping erosion from moving away. As a conclusion, the effective ways to prevent the soil erosion is by planting. That is why plant is very important to our soil. Even for construction, we have to make sure the soil is at a good condition, especially for huge projects. So that's all for the soil erosion experiment. And I hope that the explanation that I give in this video is clear and make you more understand on how the soil erosion look like. Thank you.